Hello, fellow math teachers. This is Kendra Rosales, Huntington Beach Union High School District's math facilitator. The purpose of this video is to make sure that you can successfully log into the Edulastic account for the math placement testing and to be able to see your student rosters. So the first thing I need you to do is to check in with the email I sent you after you signed up for the practice exam that has your teacher login information, which will include a username, which should be your email, and a password. Once you have that, go to edulastic.com and go ahead and click login. Once you've clicked login, you're going to go ahead and bypass the Google sign-in and bypass the Office 365 single sign-on, and you're going to actually type in your username and password. Once you do, you should be taken to this dashboard view screen. Notice over here on the left, you'll see you're in the dashboard screen. I currently am seeing all teachers that have requested to take one of the placement exams. You should only see yours. Please check that every period that we'll be testing has its own separate tile card. Now, in order for you to check that the students enrolled in each of these periods is correct, I need you on the left black sidebar here to go ahead and click on Manage Class. Once you've clicked on Manage Class, you should be taken to that individual class's roster. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and scroll down here for student confidentiality reasons because I don't want you to see all of them. But notice at the top of the list, you'll see some extra student accounts. As you scroll down under here where it says name, you should be actually able to see your real students' names. The extra student accounts, though, since we don't have names for those are simply for if we run into a technical glitch, or if, let's say, there's a student that is in your class but is not on your roster, or something of that nature. We have these extra accounts built into each period for you, so that way you can go ahead and still administer the practice test or the actual exam. Now, for these students, the username is going to be this 9-digit number, and it's going to be an 8-digit date. I chose for all of these extra student accounts to make the 8-digit date for the password to be Pi Day of this year. So they would type in 03142018. Now, for the students that are actually rostered that you can see a name for, their username is going to be their 10-digit state ID number, and then their password is going to be their 8-digit birth date. We are really hoping, we don't have these printable for you, but we are really hoping that students know their 8-digit birth date. And that is how you can go ahead and get your rosters. Now, if you wanted to print them, you could go ahead here and click the print button, and you could print out a sheet and then go ahead and cut the slips. Word of caution, after the second page, you're going to see these nice, big, pretty cards. Unfortunately, though, the passwords did not come through correctly on those cards. So you want to make sure that you're not passing out those big, nice, pretty cards. You're going to want to just print the roster and cut them into really small slips of paper if that's how you choose to inform your students of their login information. Again, the username will be, for the rostered students, the 10-digit SSID number, and then it will be the password of their 8-digit birth date. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to working with all of you. Take care.